Challenger 112, clear for takeoff runway 27.
Thanks for watching. The model F-14 used in this video is based off a Shearson CX-10 mini quadcopter. The full build description and plans for both the plane and the tower can be found on Instructable at the link below. To watch more drone footage, click on the video on the bottom, Husky Formula Racing Ice Racing this winter. If you see me flying an actual airplane, click on the video above. Song credits go to Kenny Logan, the link's in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe. Feel free to click the big red button.